children laughing? I think it's Ryan and Amanda. Let's see what they're doing. Ha ha ha, you missed me. Ooh, that was fun. Let's do it up. Uh-oh, I see everybody is sitting down. Oops, the teacher said to clean up, but we're playing. You started playing instead of cleaning up. I have an idea. Come sit next to me. Looks like Ryan and Amanda did not focus their attention on cleaning up. They forgot to use their attentoscopes that we learned about last week. Let's remind them. Do you remember learning about attentoscopes? If you need to, you can use your hands. Let's put our hands up to our eyes. All right, can you focus on me? Okay, keep focusing. Remember, you can't see anything beside you or anyone beside you if you're focusing on me. Great job. Now let's put our hands down, but keep focusing. Great job. Let's point to the parts of our bodies that you use when you focus your attention. You need your eyes, you need your ears, and you need your brain. I have another way that helps you to stay focused. I want to tell you about that. I quietly tell myself over and over what I have to do. This is called self-talk. Why do I use self-talk and keep telling myself what I need to do? That's a good question. Because it helps you keep doing what you have to do. Wow! If we had used self-talk, we could have kept our attention on cleaning up. That's right. Self-talk helps you keep your attention on the things you need to do. Thank you for helping us learn today. See you next week.